I'm Kevin Ray with Peterbrook Chocolatier here in beautiful Winter Park, Florida. And today we're going to teach you how to make chocolate wedding mints. What we've got here is some pastel colored chocolates. I went ahead and purchased these at a normal craft store, which you can do yourself. You can also choose a white chocolate and add your own dye to it to make the colors you'd like. The one thing that's very important to remember is you cannot use a water-based dye. It has to be oil-based. Chocolate and water do not mix. We've also chosen a spearmint oil. And again, very important that it's an oil and not a liquid base. And I've chosen a mold, again available at your average craft store, that seems appropriate for a wedding theme. To make our chocolates, first we're going to need to melt our chocolate down carefully in the microwave. You want to do this in really short increments so you don't burn it. We're going to start off with about 30 seconds to get our chocolate started. Now we have our chocolates melted and at the right consistency. We're going to go ahead and add our flavoring. Now, as you can tell by the size of this bottle, it's probably very concentrated, and it is. You want to add the mint in very small increments, and I recommend not pouring directly into the chocolate. If you ever pour, you can't take anything back. If you start with even just a quarter capful or a couple drops, add that to your mixtures. Then you're going to stir them in. And for me, that's usually about the right amount, but really do this to your own taste. Check it and see if it's minty enough for you. Next, we're actually going to fill our mold. To do that, I'm just going to use a spoon. And I'm going to take some of our mixture while it's still nice and liquid and spoon it into the cavities on the mold. Now we're going to check underneath and look for bubbles in our molds. These need just a couple more taps. Perfect. Now we have our excess chocolate on the top. I'm just going to take a scraper like this and go just perpendicular to the mold. Scrape off the excess chocolate. Now we're ready to demold our wedding mints. And we're just going to kind of gently press around and tap on our mold. And there we go. Chocolate wedding mints.